This movie is just to let me show you some explain about how to assemble every our chorus parts. Looks like that two wheel lights and this chorus body and this camera head. And this is lift elevating unit. Why like this? Disassemble everything. Because our system designed something very specialized, DIY something, doing it yourself, right? This is totally different from our any computer manufacturer suppliers. If you guys learn about this assemble processing from me, very easily replacement everything, you can do that very easily. So I want to show you how to assemble. First step is between this main body with both of side clear space. So you can see body wrench bolt. Its size is 12 millimeter length and 5 millimeter diameter. Our toolbox, this board, 16 unit, 16 bolt keeping inside our toolbox. So first one, you can see our wheelbase. This side, this is we call this front lamp. So this is the tail side. So like this, and this is also tail side and the front side. So and like this, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 bolt hole. So and this is a connection connector. Yeah, four pins like this. And first one. Use this hole. Okay. Basically, the process of this assembly color system. Firstly assemble with between this both of side wheel and the body. After that, lift something. Because why? That's why. Because it is very difficult. Because reverse of this process step, very difficult. Ensemble working is very difficult. So first step is this wheelbase with body. After that, you should assemble this camera head lift with body. Okay, and if you want a more stronger tightening, Loctite bolt tightening bond, you should use this solution. Yeah. Here, 4 bolt hole. Final one is here. Okay. Okay, and another size. Most important point of this assembly working. Firstly, you should check no gap, because this point very important because of connection with each unit, right? So you can check, you may check this point. No gap, no gap. Okay. Next step is assemble process, assemble working between this camera head lift and this main body. Okay. How to connect and how to patch on here this body. You can see here hole, 4 hole. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So using by this hole between this lift unit and body tail side, using 3mm wrench, T-wrench tool with a diameter of 3mm and length is 20mm, using by this wrench board. Firstly, located on bottom tail side. Okay, finish. This we call this crown lamp. Is queen's crown, so it looks like, yeah, looks queen crown. So our camera head with this crown lamp is together. So next is how to connect between the camera head with the front of lift unit. You can see this. This is a key pin, we call this. So you can attach on this side very easily, and you can see this key pins hole. So this 12 o'clock way, and then like this. Okay, fully push inside of this hole and right side like this, tightening. Yes. After then, this crown lamp, you can see these 2 holes, and with this bolt, and this is a connecting port, male female. Also, firstly, very carefully between this male and female. And then tightening. Okay, final process of cross assemble procedure. This bumper, front bumper, and tail bumper. How to assemble like this? Firstly, using this unit, not fully tightening, only like this, and then push into this hole very strongly. After then, tightening. If you want to more strongly tightening, using by tool, pinch something like, okay, right? And the tail assemble working in the same way. Like this, and then strongly tighten. Okay, and what is this? This is the deployment hooking unit, right? Like this, handle something. Yeah. So this is also very simple. a little bit tightening, and another side like this. Okay, and step by step, left and right, step by step. Okay, this remain this tightening yes, like this. Okay. Okay, and this lift tail cable, connection cable, okay, connect to here. Okay, left side. This is also very easily you can tighten and connect with this body. You can see here, this is a key pins hole. 12 o'clock outside exists, so like this. Push, slowly, and tighten. Okay. Okay, everything is finished. Yeah.